We are working on GMetrix PowerPoint Project Review 2. We're on the final steps part of this project. The first task wants us to go ahead and apply 2 different transitions to this document. The first one, the transition is going to be doors, and it's going to be to all of the slides except for the first slide. So what I'll do is I'll click here in slide 2. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the last slide. I'm going to hold the shift key on my keyboard and I'm going to click 6. And notice that all of the slides lit up orange except for my first slide. I'm going to go to the transitions tab. I'm going to go ahead and click the drop down here, and I'm looking for doors. And it tells me to go ahead and on the first slide, so I'll go ahead and select that. What we're going to look for is flash. So again, I'll click the more drop down here, and I'll select flash. We'll go ahead and check that we completed the task. This task wants us to go ahead and apply some options to the document. So we'll go to the File tab here at the top to go to the Backstage view. We'll select Options. We're going to go to the Advanced section. We'll scroll down to Printing. It tells us to check the box that says Print True Type Fonts as Graphics. And we want to check the box that says High Quality. And we'll click OK. And we'll check that we completed the task. This task wants us to go ahead and add the comment field Approved for Release. So we'll go to the File tab here at the top to enter the Backstage view. We'll go ahead and click Show All Properties. And in the comments field, we're going to go ahead and type in Approved for Release. A lot of my students here will add a space at the end of this line. Be careful, don't do that. You just want to type the text and click out of it to set the text. And we'll click the back arrow to exit the Backstage view. We'll check that we completed the task. This task wants us to go ahead and display the guides. So we'll go to the View tab here at the top. And in the Show group, we would just want to go ahead and select Guides. And we'll check that we completed this task. This task wants us to go ahead and set up some slideshow options. So what we want to do is go to the Slideshows tab at the top. We want to select Set Up Slideshow. In the show type, we'll select Browse by an individual. And in our show options, we're going to select Show Without Narration. And we'll click OK. And we'll check that we completed that task.